What's goody? It's your girl BSKY here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this quick, easy updo. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this hairstyle, then keep watching. Alright, so boom, check it. We're going to comb out the hair and then we're going to begin to section the front into two pieces. As you can see here, it's really hard to do this without a mirror behind me or to the side of me. I did the same thing to the other side. And then I'm going to tie the hair up. And I already had the bust down middle part going on because I had my hair in a low ponytail. As you can see, I'm tying it up just to section it off. And then I am doing the same to the middle section. And this is basically where you're going to put the hair into that clip thingy. So you kind of section it off here, and we're gonna tie that up, and then lastly we're gonna tie the back up just to get all the hair out the way so we can really focus on the front, because this is in sections. By the way, this is my first time doing this hairstyle, and I think I did pretty all right. Let me know what you think. Well, you can't know until the end, but yeah. Now we're gonna section the hair. Well, the hair is already sectioned. We're going to comb through one more time just to make sure there's like no knots in there, because I like to use the soft side of the brush. I'm using this Murray's Beeswax. Now, the thing with the Murray's Beeswax is I don't use it a lot because it can be heavy in my opinion. But if you want like a sleek holding kind of paste, you can use that. It's really soft. And then you're going to brush the hair to the front of your face. And you can kind of clean up like the sparse areas with like a comb. That's always my secret trick, but tucking the hair behind the ear is the hardest part because it kind of like falls out of place, but you can just go over it again. And like I said, you can use a comb to touch it up. So as you can see, now I'm taking my Fructis Sleek and Shine spray, and it was not coming out. I was like, what is going on? There we go. And you just, spray that there. And if you guys wanted it to last longer, you could go over it with a blow dryer, but I just spray this spray because I'm definitely not wearing my hair like this tomorrow, and I'm not washing it either. Call it what you want. I'm doing the same thing to the other side. As you can see, I pinned that side back. Now I'm doing the same thing to the other side. This side was a little bit easier to maneuver. I don't know why, but sometimes it'd be like that. And as you can see, I'm going over it again with the Fructis Sleek and Shine spray. So it's like holding spray, and if you want it to last for a while, get the blow dryer and just put it on cool and blow dry over it. Now I'm gonna put a clip here and get that out of the way. And I'm touching it up with the comb, as I mentioned before. Just trying to make sure it's as neat as possible. And now I'm gonna take the clips out because we're gonna tie those two front pieces together and make them one. And the level of concentration, okay, anytime I do any type of ponytail, I be so concentrated, like I can't even explain it. But you're gonna wanna take a hair tie and stay focused. Okay, stay focused, try not to get it like lopsided, try to keep it in the center of your head. And as you can see, I'm smiling because I gotta laugh through the seriousness of it all. Like that doesn't even make any sense, but whatever. And you're gonna end up with this like little rat tail. Does anyone watch BMF? Because they got the rat tails in BMF, and I think it was a hairstyle that they used to do in Detroit back in the day. Now I'm touching it up again with the brush. I cannot explain to you guys how many times I touch it up with the brush, but when you're maneuvering it, it just kind of falls out of place. Hit it again with some hairspray. And don't worry, this will like kind of be the final time we touch it up, I think. I'm pretty sure, yeah. But I think it looks good so far. So far, so good. And then you're gonna take the end of a comb or brush and get the edges that you want out. I try not to do too many edges. That's why we brush the hair toward the front of the hairline. Because this is like, I want this to look as neat as possible. Now I'm taking the back claw clip out and the middle claw clip out. I don't know why I took the back clip out. That didn't make any sense, but you're gonna see me put it back in because now we're focusing on the middle section and we don't really want to mess up our part. I kind of messed up the part you'll see in the end, but it's okay. It's okay. We're finessing over here a little bit. Here I am clipping the back just to get that out of the way, putting it back in the clip. And I am now going to work on the middle section. So we're going to go in with the Murray's beeswax again, and I'm just going to apply that to the middle part of my hair and hit it with the soft side of the brush. And look at the faces I make, child. Don't get me started. I make some crazy faces when doing my hair and makeup. Ridiculous. I'm trying to keep it all together. And I'm just kind of breezing through this now because it's repetitive. Now I'm hitting it with the Fructis Sleek and Shine spray. And as I mentioned again, I'll mention it again, you can go over it with a comb to get the bumps and the dents out. And you can harden this with a blow dryer if you want it to last longer. But this is just like a temporary, cute, one-day hairstyle for me at least. Now I'm tying it up with a hair tie, and I feel like I'm holding my breath when I'm doing my ponytails. It's ridiculous. Like, I really do. Like, look at my face. In all seriousness, why are you so serious? It's just a hairstyle. I think it was because I didn't want to have to do this over and over and over again. And there is one part of this video that I did have to do over, which is this part. Well, it's coming up. Basically, you're going to take your hair, separate it into two, and kind of do a 2-strand twist, like twirl it together. Now this is the part I have to do again, so just focus, okay? Just pay attention because it's really hard to explain, but like you wrap it around, put your finger in between it, and then you wrap it around the other way and then bring it back, and you kind of leave the top part out. It's kind of like the claw clip look, and then you're going to take your claw clip. I have like a tiny one. I think I got this from CVS, but you can get them on Amazon or wherever, your local pharmacy, beauty supply store, and you're just gonna like spread the hair out once you get it in the clip. Now we're gonna take out the back of our hair again. We're just gonna brush, comb through it, okay, inches. Now I am going to put some Fructis Sleek and Shine hairspray on the parts of my edges that I left out. And I feel like hit it with the swoop. I feel like this is what all the girls are doing, at least when they do their hair like this and when they do their ponytail. So I was trying to get as close to the look as possible. So here I am doing the same thing to the other side. And one of my sideburns is longer than the other, but I refuse to cut it. So yeah, that's just what it's gonna be. Now I'm hitting it with a flat iron, and it's not all the way hot because my hair's already straight, and there'll still be some dents in it after, but I wanted to try and get as many of them out as possible. This is from wearing my hair in a ponytail prior to doing this hairstyle. I'm kind of chasing it with the comb, but like I said, I didn't want to apply too much heat so I didn't go too crazy. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just to get those dents out. And I think it looks really good so far. I need to trim my hair. I gotta put you guys onto what I've been doing to grow my hair out because it's been growing so fast and everyone's noticing. So maybe we'll make that a video. Maybe we'll do a clothing video and then we'll do that after. But yeah, this is it. And basically I pull the hair to the front and that's the look. I think it came out really cute. What do you guys think? I think I did the best that I could because I'm always doing the best that I can. See where I messed up with the part because I took it out too early? It's okay though. If you have someone to help you part your hair, I highly advise. But other than that, I love it. I love it. So that about sums up this video. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, then leave what you want to see in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed watching me do this quick little updo. I think it's cute. Love you guys.